Hello everyone, I am going to dictate you steno legal matter. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Therefore, the dismissal of appellant's services admittedly for a misconduct was illegal stop, even if the power of dismissal is given by para 107 of the PWD Manual Volume 1, that is violative of the law laid down by the apex court in Des Bandhu and Babu Nath (Supra stop para). As the dismissal order is null and void, the natural consequence is that the plaintiff employee is entitled to back wages, all ancillary benefits and reliefs, but as contended by Mr. Kalkar, learned Deputy Advocate General, this rule has to be departed from in the peculiar facts and circumstances of this case, as nobody knows whether after his dismissal from service the plaintiff was gainfully employed or not, nor any issue was framed to that effect. Stop. Besides, a long period has elapsed and the appellant has not adopted the quicker remedy of filing a writ petition before the High Court, and the litigation dragged on for about 18 years. Stop. Therefore, placing reliance on two decisions of this court in SA number 146 of 1987, Badri Prasad versus State of MP, decided on October 24, 1990, and SA number 13 oblique 1987, Bandhu Gupta versus State of MP and others, decided on January 2, 1991, it would be just and fair not to award back wages at this stage, but to direct the executing court to hold an inquiry whether, after his dismissal from service, the plaintiff was gainfully employed or not. Stop. At this stage, Sri Upadhyay submitted that instead of making the direction to hold an inquiry part of the back wages be now awarded, so that the dispute is decided here and now. Stop. On this submission, I feel it just and proper not to award full back wages, but the state is directed to make payment of half back wages with all ancillary benefits of the service to the appellant from the date of termination of the services till reinstatement. Stop. The appellant shall be treated to be continuing in employment. Stop. The amount after calculating the wages and all ancillary benefits shall be paid to the appellant within 3 months from today. Stop. In case of default, the amount of half back wages and all ancillary benefits so calculated shall carry interest at the rate of 12% per annum, which the appellant shall be entitled to recover by executing the decree. Stop. Para. In the result, the appeal is allowed and the suit of the appellant plaintiff is decreed in the manner stated herein above. Stop.